Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you some more journals that I've made, and I've done over the last couple of years. I have been doing the journals in a altered paper bag and stuffed it all with ephemera. So I've made two and I've got a few more on the go. The bags themselves measure, obviously once I've folded it all up and made the pockets, 8 inches by 6 inches, and obviously they are gusseted bags which hold the journals inside. The journals are blank, and obviously everything here you can put inside. You just got to make some little pockets of your own, or just maybe glue some of the items in and make tuck spots yourself. These will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested, and the links for that will be below. I have used all of the journal main pages, and these embellishments here are from ARTYmaze. ARTYmaze is always listed below in the description box as well, because I'm always using ARTYmaze stuff as well as Tsunami Rose. I've got some Tsunami Rose ephemera in here as well. So I will go ahead and start showing you this one here. So I've used some decorative ribbon, Christmas ribbon, and this little ribbon which has got snowflakes on it. I've topped that over the top of this. This embellishment here is from ARTYmaze, and it's from old Christmas journal kit, and I will pull all these out. That's the paper that I've used on the back of this here. Same paper down the bottom, but you can barely see it now because I've covered it up. The journal just pops inside. It's blank on the back, so it's just that craft look. And like I said, the journal, they're just blank journals, so they both say merry and bright, but they've obviously got different images on the front. I've used this green cardstock sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, so let me do a quick flip. ARTYmaze. This is called Cardinal Rose, I believe. Doily, some corner punching. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is some Christmas music paper, which is a digital, and I can't remember who sells that on Etsy. Some old design shop here. Some lined paper. Sorry, I'm probably doing that too quick so you can't actually see the pages. The cardinal on there. Love the not sure if that's a reindeer or a stag. I think it's a stag. More Christmas music paper. And the center is like so. Hope I'm in frame here. So yeah, I've got a few more of these on the go. So I had to order the paper bags because what made me do this was the ones that I've made over the last couple of years were starting to show up on my timeline as memories, and I thought, right, I've got to make some of them again. So with that one, you will get that large tag. You will get an envelope which has just got some coffee dyed paper that's been folded up inside, and you could write on that, you could stencil, you could draw, do whatever you like. So we have that. We have two little mason jars, and it's got a little bird on there, and that one has just got some nice background paper, and I've got some of this red like eyelash trim. We have these two tags. We have this little envelope, and inside that there is a double journaling card. Then we have a large postcard here, and we have a journaling card there. I've just made a very simple paper clip there using one of the pieces from one of ARTYmaze's kits. Here we have an envelope with the journal card. We have two of these tags, and we have another postcard, and then a large tag. So that is that one. Set that to one side. Then we have this one, and I've used that same ribbon. It's like a hessian ribbon with the red ribbon layered over the top. This image is from ARTYmaze. Then we have 2 mason jars again. We have 2 tags. We have this journal card. We have that postcard. They've all been backed onto cardstock and then inked up. An envelope. Journal card to match. I'll just set that there. We have these 2 tags here. Or we have this postcard, and then this again is just a simple altered paper clip. Just goes on there or there. Large tag. An envelope, and again it's just got coffee dyed paper, the same as the other one. Inside, so you can write, draw, or do whatever you like to. And another large tag. This is the background paper that I used, and then the journal is like so. Just put some ribbon around there so it's like that, merry and bright. And this is again ARTYmaze, and it's the old Christmas journal kit. So it's very similar to the other one, it's just the printed pages are different. So like I said, these will be listed in my shop, and then there will be more over the next few days, and then I'll probably get fed up with Christmas stuff. I love that page, so that's why I put it in the middle. That's a lovely image. So the journals, sorry I forgot to say, the journals measure 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and there are 76 pages front and back in each journal. But all the details will be listed in my shop. So there we have it. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.